You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your light. Cooler than the flip side of my pillow. That's right. Completely unaware. Nothing can compare to where you send me. Lets me know that it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. In the moments when my good times start to fade, you make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. Even when you're gone, somehow you come along just like a flower poking through the sidewalk crack. And just like that, you steal away the rain. And just like that, you make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. Don't know how I live without you, 'cause every time that I get around you, I see the best of me inside your eyes. You make me smile. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. You make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile.
You make me smile.
Oh, you make me smile.
You make me smile.
Oh, you make me smile.
Hi, King and Roa. Wishing you a lifetime of happiness and love. Your wedding day will come and go, but may your love forever grow. Congratulations and best wishes. Mwah.
Hi King, hi Roa, congratulations on your wedding day, and as you guys settle down, I hope that you stay cool. And I know a lot of people would say that having kids is in order, but no, take your time, don't rush, and best wishes.
Hi King, hi Roa. First of all, I'd like to greet you guys. Congratulations and best wishes on your wedding day. Wanna gini guys. So I know you have been together for quite some time, and I wish you all the happiness in life. I also wish for you to continue to grow more in love with each other. And no matter what obstacles or struggles you might face, keep in mind that you have each other's backs, and you can lean on each other for support, and that you will always be stronger together. Again, congrats, and I wish you all the best. Bye.
Hi, Roa!
Hi, Roa!
Happy wedding day din nyo, Roa. Best wishes.
Yeah, same here.
Kay diri na lang minag ka ng greet sa imo kay nasi Mark po dapil.
Oh, congrats!
Happy wedding day. Alright.
Roa and King, congratulations in advance. I witnessed both of you who started as bully friends and then turned lovers. And I'm so happy that the time has come for you to unite as husband and wife. Once again, congratulations to both of you, and I wish you a lifetime full of love and happiness.
Hello, Benjamin and King! Congrats! Tops again! Tops again! Tops again! I hope through the years you become even better friends and share every possible kind of happiness life can bring. Take care!
Hi dudes and Roa. Finally, this is it. It's gonna be your wedding day, and I'm very happy to witness this important event in your life. You're gonna be entering a new chapter in each of your lives, and I wish you all the best. I wish you happiness and fun-filled adventures, new experiences, and I'm also looking forward to seeing some little Roas and little Kings in the future. Cheers to your new adventure and to the next chapter of each of your lives. Dudes, ever since our youth days, I've witnessed how hard it was, and I'm very thankful that finally you've found your one true love and someone who will be with you forever. So, wishing you all the best and best wishes to your wedding. Bye-bye!
So, I heard, congratulations Bench and King on your wedding. I don't know how it started, but I think it started when you guys are under my team. Because I think I saw Bench staring at you one time, King. Really. Well, kidding aside, basing on the Facebook post with, say, Bench posting something about King and King posting something about Bench. I mean, more than you being a lover, you guys are friends, and I think it's a good foundation in terms of being married. Soon, Benj, you'll have kids, so I know how responsible you are. Though you are the clown of the team, I know how responsible you are. And in terms of King, I know she's silent, but I know she's also strict. So be careful. Be careful, Benj. I know you know it by now. Just best wishes, guys. I hope that the relationship will last, and I think it would last. So just stay to be friends.
2,000 years later.
And remember, Benj, happy wife, happy life. Congrats.
Hi, King! Hi, Roa! Congrats!
Hi King, hi Roa. Congrats ninyo and stay happy. Bye-bye.
Hi Benj, congrats. May you both live happily as a married couple in this lifetime and beyond.
Roa, King, congratulations to the both of you. Ang akong masulti, akong kinutlo gikan sa Google, which says, a happily ever after is not a fairy tale, is not a fairy tale, is not a fairy tale. It is a choice. So, as you journey together, may you choose to love, may you choose to care, may you choose to understand, and may you choose to fight for each other. Love you both. God bless. Ug amping mo perme. Bye-bye.
Hi King and Roa! Congratulations guys! Ano sila, marriage is not a bed of roses daw. Pero, wabdo ko kasabot unsa na. Dahil joke. You're one of the couples jud nga I admire the most. So, I pray you all the best, happiness, and more strength on the next chapter of your lives. And once again, congratulations and God bless you on your married life. Bye!
Love will keep you together. Hadita kay Uncle Roa. Congratulations. May both of you get all the happiness in the world and have a great married life. Congratulations and best wishes.
Hi King! Hi Roa! Corona G. Ikaw yun sa kong corona. so excited na muna dyan. Matalik na si King kay murag samot na kaayo ang world o kaming doha sinimo. Char. Bitaw Roa, I am so glad na King kan King. Kaya parehas mong duha. Murag abot lang, alay makabuwag mo. I cannot imagine King with someone else. And I cannot imagine Roa with another girl. You're both blessed and lucky to have each other. I wish you all the best. And 10 kids. Carry on 10 kids, Roa. Good luck, best wishes, and a beautiful life together forever. Love you both.
Assalamualaikum. Greetings from Abu Dhabi. Bench and King, congratulations on your big day.